Big man guard. The bed. Basket counted. Save the ball. And there's a kick. A basket count. Tumira ng press. 2 points. Deparini fires for 2. Foul. Nalos. Answer for 3. Pua, the ball. Pass to Deparini. Back to Pua. Back to Deparini. Tumera ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 4. Rige. What a nice pass by Rige to Villabre. Deparini. Tumera ng 3. Wala. Ryan Lee. Pass to Nalos. Nalos penetrate. Back to Ryan Lee. Number 14. What a nice basket. Villabre. Time remaining 9 minutes and 31 with a score of 3/9 in favor of Boss Ryan Lee. Solano. Fake by Pua. Tumira ng 2. Good. Intercept by Deparini. Deparini. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Given the ball. Ryan Lee. Number 8. Looking to pass to Singson. Singson fake. Villabre. No good. And a long pass to number 13. And there's a whistle. Deparini. Basket. Fires for 2. Yes, sir. Score 4-11. Time remaining 8 minutes. Pua. Solano. Guarding by Villabre. Solano. What a nice pass. That's no good. Try to save the ball. Back to Solano. Solano. And basket counted. Singson. Singson. Rige. Fires for 2. No good. Singson saved the ball and basket counted. Tumira ng 3 points. Villabre to Ryan Lee. Nalos. Nalos penetrate. Pass to Rige. And a block by Solano. And a long pass. Say bye-bye to Deparini. Ryan Lee for 3. No good. Deparini. Time remaining 7 minutes. Tumira 3 again. Wala. Singson. Singson pass to Ryan Lee. Fires for 3. No good. Solano saved the ball. Dribble the ball. Solano by Rige. Wala. Wala gihapon. Save the ball by Pua. Pua. Ito pass to Solano. Solano guarded by Rige. Look at the pass. Back to Deparini. Pass to 3. No good. Singson. Boss Ryan. Pass to Singson. Singson. Guarding by Pua. Singson. Rodriguez. And there's a whistle. Foul by number 1. Basket. Count. 2 points by Rodriguez. Time remaining 6 minutes and 14 seconds. Score 11-15. Tumera ng press. Wala. Long pass by Nalos. Nalos fires for 3. No good. Trige fake, and a basket counted by Trige of Bad Boys. Nice, counted by Diparine. Nalos. What a blind pass by, saved the ball by Nalos to Villaver. Pass for 2. Yes sir. Diparine. Set the play. Pass to Pua. Back to Diparine. Long pass. Solano guarding by Villaver. Solano, spin move, look at the pass. What a nice pass, and you're going to save the ball by number 6-8 to 1. And there's a whistle. Foul. Ryan, looking to pass to Singson to Nalos. Pumera ng 3. Bang! 3 points. Time remaining 4 minutes and 36 seconds. No good, and there's a whistle. Foul by Singson. Basket counted. Nalos. Singson fake. Basket counted. Singson. There are 3 again. 3. Nalos. What a nice move by Ryan Lee. Set drop. No good. Solano save the ball. Rebound. Pass to Diparine. Mamadali si Diparine. And a basket counted by number 68 of Bad Boys White. Saraum. Ryan Lee looking to pass. Nalos. Trige. Pass to Singson. Fake. Singson. And a basket counted by Singson. What a nice sidestep move. And a basket counted. 2 minutes and 46 seconds. 21-26 in favor of Black Bad Boys. Trige. Guarding by 2. Looking to pass. Ryan Lee tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by Pua. Nagmamadali. To Diparine. Easy layup. Villaver. Looking to pass. To Nalos. Tumira ng 3. No good. Solano. Nagmamadali si Solano. Pua. What a nice fake. Back to Pua. 2 points by Pua. Singson set the play. Pass to Boss Ryan. To Villabrel. Sumaksak. And there's a whistle. (25-26). Sana lang labaw sa itom. Ryan Lee looking to pass. Guarding by Diparine. Ryan Lee. Tumera manap. Trige. And shot clock violation. Number one long pass to Diparine. What a nice pass by Diparine to Solano. No good. Number 1 long pass. 68. Basket counted. Soraum. Long pass to Ryan Lee tumira 3. Wala. Singson. Basket counted. Time remaining 17 seconds. 28-29 in favor of Black. 7 seconds. Pumera ng 3. Very good. Point 15. End of the first half. Singson. And a long pass to Pua. Guarding by Trige. Pua. What a nice pass. And a basket counted by Solano.
Ayaw tawag dito.
Bonus throw.
Paro to sa video.
Angie Bolo. Pass to Villabel. Tumera. So good. Save the ball again. And there's a kick. A basket counted. Oh, what a nice move and basket counted. Number 3. Angie Bolo to Singson. Singson attempts for 2. Yes, sir. Score 32-34 in favor of White. Solano. Yes, sir. Rebound. Villabel. Australian. What a nice. Ay, sayang. The basket counted by Trige. Warning block for delaying the game. Galinato. Guarding by Bulo. No good. Villabel. Save the ball. Rebound. Nalos. Nalos Singson. What a nice pass by Singson to Trige. Big man guarding by Villabel. Basket counted. Tawag isang invisible man. Fires for 3. Angie Bolo 3 points. Pua. Di Parine. Basket counted. Di Parine. What a nice pass. Nalos to Trige. Basket counted. Score is 41-40. Galinato. This guy guarding by Trige. Fake, looking to pass. Number 1, spin move. What a nice move by Galinato. Nalos. Trige to Singson. Trige guarding by 2. Trige. Basket. Solano guarding by 2. Solano. Missed the shot. Number 1 back to Solano. Basket. Counted. Angie Bolo. Fake 3. Basket counted by Trige. Counted. Basket. Bonus throw. Score 46-44. Time remaining 6 minutes and 48 seconds. Second half. Pua for 3. Yes, sir. Bulo. Tumera ng 3. Bagang. Trige. 49-47. Score 49-47. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Labaw ang Itom. This game is a championship game. Nalos. No good. Solano. Pugi guys. Well, there's a whistle. Foul. 47-49 championship niya. 40 mil ang premyo. Solano basket. Tie game 49-49. No good. Puwa, nagmamadali si Puwa. And tie game. What a nice fake. Nalos. Back to Bulo. Bulo pass to Boss Ryan. What a nice pass. Boss Ryan lead to Villabrel. Score is tied 51. What a nice 2. 3 minutes and 43 seconds. 51-53. Out. Oh, counted ito, counted. So, atong score is iguales 53. Solano, guarding by Villaver. Solano, what a nice pass to Iparine. Bulo. Nalos. Hey! Nalos for 2. Ito pass, Solano. Back to Pua. Fake. Hey! What a nice pass. Pua to the Pugi guy. Bulo. Miss the ball. Galinato. Pass. Ligue. Basket counted. 1 minute 39 seconds. 57-59. Time remaining. $57-62. Labaw na ang puti. Basket counted. 35 seconds. Time remaining. Solano. 27 seconds. 56-60. Penalty. Score 60-68. With time remaining 17 seconds. Boss Ryan tumira ng 3. 3. Basket 69-63. 3 in a row. Dua ligo kay 13 boss. 6 seconds time remaining. Time out. Score 6 segundos. And the ball game. Congratulations, white team.